Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you remove an application from your conversation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove any of the bots or application from your conversation, you just simply have to open your Google Chat. And after opening that, just simply open the chat from where you would like to remove an application. For example, I'm opening this chat. After that, just simply go to the profile and then you will get this option of manage apps. Tap to manage apps and then you will get to see all of the bots and applications. Now, in order to remove one of them or any of the application that you desire to remove, just simply tap to the three dots beside the app name. And after that, you will get the option of remove from the chat. Tap into that option and then the app will successfully be removed from your conversation. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.